SpeTool Cratos Machinist-Grade Router Sled. 6065 high-strength anodized aluminum alloy, not easy to deform. Installation by one person only takes about 30 minutes. Laser drilling preset positions, no leveling required. Maximum processing width 120 centimeters. Maximum processing height 21 centimeters. Non-marring thermoplastic rubber wheels, moving sled smooth without vibration. 3-mode switch to meet different processing needs. The basic mode for thin board. The block mode and fixed position mode for thick wood or wooden stake. Suitable for wood slab flattening, resurfacing, also for slotting and grooving. SpeTool, make your work easier.